Thank you very much for tuning back in. My name is Veiny. In my channel, I talk about my houseplant and my Hoyas. Today, it is a very exciting unboxing that I wanted to make since I saw the opening of the store. I have been following the store owner for a long time when it comes to Hoya. I also noticed that she's not going to talk about Hoyas on her Hoya channel recently. She announced that she's not going to continue with that one, but proceeds to do something else. So I am very happy that she is still keeping her store. I guess everyone could know which store I'm referring to. It is Hoyamygosh. I have ordered, I think, 6 Hoyas in this order. I remember that was at the time in year end. There is a year-end sales. I think there was a code for 20% off. I saw there is one particular Hoya that I wanted to collect all of the colors of flowers. That I'm going to show you after I unboxed it, so I'm not going to reveal right now. Because of that one Hoya, I wanted to purchase as many Hoyas that I wanted from her store. I have selected 6 of them that I wanted to get. Currently, they're not shipping to Norway yet, but I heard from the repotting video that Betsy has done with Miro, saying that later on the shipment could extend to Norway later on. But currently I still need to go to Sweden and pick this up, and I am happy that this box has only traveled for maybe 6 days. And let's not wait for another second. I'm going to unbox it together with you, and I'm very excited to see how it is packaged, and I'm also very excited to see how the cuttings looks like after 6 days in the box and in winter months. Let's see how encouraging it is. Let's come across and have a close-up look. Alright, in this close-up you can see that the box is actually inspected by the custom. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. There's a lot of fluff you can see. Let's see. Oh, there's also a heat pad. Wow, that's so cute. I'll check inside later. Have a look. This pinch is very cute. Wow. Right, I'm going to show you one by one in an even better look. This is very nice packaging. I can see some pond. I really like how Betsy has packed the Hoyas. It's very clear what each ones are, and also the way that she packaged it, it just makes it easy to kind of protect the cuttings the best. Okay, this one here is Hoya Lacunosa Poonsak. I really want this one because I saw this one in Ivy's Hoya tour, and when she showed there are different species of Lacunosa, I saw this one to be one of the very cute, pointy, elongated Hoya, and that's why I want to order one. As you can see in the close-up, this Lacunosa is slightly more elongated, or very much more elongated than other Lacunosa, and that's why I really wanted this subspecies of Lacunosa. It looks very nice if it is a large pot, and yeah, it also has some kind of splash on top of it, and a little bit of rip that you can see, shade on the leaf. Such a nice one. Lacunosa Poonsak. This one over here is a gifted plant from Betsy. Thank you very much. I really like different types of Lacunosa, and I think all of them I would like to have, just like what you mentioned in your video. Let's have a look at this one. This one here, it says that it's from Borneo, and it also mentioned red. So I am assuming that this one will have sun-stressed color in red. I really like that, and I think I have seen the description of this particular one in Betsy's Lacunosa collection video. I really like that one when she mentioned it could sunstress in red. I love Valeniana. I also really like how red gets into the rounded, tiny, small leaves. It must be really nice. Hopefully it grows fast and I can grow a more bushy plant. And yes, it also has this very smooth texture. And when it comes to the quality and how healthy the leaves are, I would say it's crazy healthy. And for some reason, I think in wintertime, maybe it is more like a refrigerating effect. As long as it doesn't froze the plant, I feel like I have higher success. Or maybe it's very good packaging from Betsy, a collection of all of the factors, I would say. Very beautiful. This one over here is Hoya Lacunosa IML 1039. Let's take a look at the leaf. This one, the reason why I wanted it is because of the elongated leaf shape. I love how elongated leaf shape looks like, especially when it's kind of like a Lacunosa type, because you kind of have that thick leaf, not super succulent like, but it's thick enough that you feel comfortable to kind of ship it. And also you see there's a bit of splash. If I focus here, you can see that it has very kind of prominent vein, and also with that side vein as well, showing that leaf shape. And not just like this, it has some kind of sun stressing in this bottom part. Let's see, it's so beautiful, and I really hope that this one could grow fast. And yeah, let's have a look at this leaf. Maybe this one will have nice underleaf coloration. Then the front part, just like, you know, Nicosonii, it has really beautiful underneath of the leaf coloration. I think this one doesn't have as much, but this one is pretty prominent. Very nice. This one over here is Hoya Lacunosa Yellow from Indonesia. Look. Wow. I like how it's cluttered like this, because normally when it's cluttered like this, it has a higher success rate, in my opinion. This one, it has yellow flowers, I believe. That's why it's called Lacunosa Yellow from Indonesia. I like the leaf shape. Again, it is more pointy, but not as pointy as Poonsak. It just have this really round and pointy combination. And I also like how the leaf shape is formed. It is also having this vein underneath, and the leaf is definitely thicker than the one before. And I want to have a look at the back if there's any coloration. Maybe this one doesn't have, but yeah, it's really nice. Sometimes it's very difficult to describe different kinds of Lacunosa. I know that I might sound silly looking into very similar leaves and trying to explain what I like about Lacunosa, but let me know in the comment box below if you also have this kind of desire to keep different subspecies of Lacunosa. It is because the ordinary leaf shape of Lacunosa, it's already really pretty. However, when it has a little bit of variation, you just think that it creates a whole new world, and you want to obtain that one as well. Just because of the ordinary leaf shape like Lacunosa, together with a little bit of variation, it just makes an amazing collection to have, I would say. Beautiful. Now here comes the reason why I made this entire order, because of this one, Hoya Affinity Linavergarae. I have the eye on this one since I saw the picture that is posted by Sarisa. She showed there are two colors that she offered for Linavergarae. I have got the pink color from Hoyamygosh IML, but I also want to have the yellow one. I'm not sure if this one is the yellow one that Sarisa is offering, but it is close enough because this is a affinity version. That means it's not exactly Linavergarae, but then it's very close. I love the leaf shape, as you can see here. It is very elongated and thin at the same time, and together with the vein, it is definitely one of the most attractive leaf shape that I would love. I love small leaf shape together with amazing pretty flowers. That is definitely what I am looking for. And it also have a new growth here. Thank you very much for having this extra node. I really hope that I can root this one because it's relatively rare, I think, in the community still. There's not a lot of circulation. That's why when I got the red one, it cost me a good amount of money. But this one, I am so happy that I also got. Now I have two colors. I hope that I can have more colors, but obviously it depends on the price and it also depends on the availability. And yeah. You can see that it also have some, I think this one is a bit burned, but I am happy to have two node and it is growing. Then this one over here, it is so nice. This is actually a rooted one. I'm very happy about this because this one over here is Hoya Thomsonii Silver. Let's take it out and I will talk it through. Wow. This one over here is something I really wanted because I really like Thomsonii, but Thomsonii Silver I've never seen in person. But as you can see here in this close-up, the silver also have some splash in between. I would say this leaf shape or leaf coloration is mainly silver, and in some area it will show that green original color, and I think this one over here is also very nice silver splash. It has this not as bright silver, it's more like a muted silver coloration, but if you look into the combination between the silver and the normal coloration, it looks very nice. It's very different of the coloration, but I also think this one is slightly smaller than the Thomsonii that I have. But all in all, thank you very much for this rooted one. Hopefully I could save some of the roots. Last one over here is Hoya Rachael. Let's see. I heard that I think Hoya Rachael is Hoya Rebecca's sibling. I heard this is from the same seed pod, but then it has a separate kind of line or separate name. So this is within the same seed pod where the Hoya Rebecca is from. And as you can see, this one is large, I would say. I don't have a Hoya Rebecca leaf shape as this size. And also the sun stressing is slightly different than Hoya Rebecca. And I am happy to see that I also have this sibling of Hoya Rebecca. I really like Hoya Rebecca because it is both very pretty and extremely easy care. Mine started blooming maybe after 3-4 months I have obtained it, and also it has constantly grow new leaves regardless which season it is. Of course, in spring and summer season it grows super much, but it just never stops a beat, even in winter time. And look at this one. I'm surprised with this coloration. I did not expect the colors. Looks like an autumn leaf, and it sunstress very differently, as I said. Well, hopefully I'll have a larger pot of this one, and I'll see and also compare how it differs from Rebecca. It's really beautiful. It also have very deep vein as well. Probably I need to put it in the water as well. A little bit dried. Very, very fascinating. I realized that in this video, maybe the sound is not as great because I actually purchased a new microphone for my content creation just to give you a better experience in my sound, but it seems like it's not the best. I'm going to fine tune it a little bit and try to find a tweak, try to see how I can improve the sound, but apologize for that one, but I am very happy that you stay until now, and I am also really happy that all of the Hoyas that I show you today is very healthy, and not just really healthy, but some of them even have roots on it. So thank you very much for the gift plant as well, Betsy. It's really nice to have all of these Hoyas from you, and then I can have some of your Hoya in my collection as well. If you have any suggestion of the cat tips of the Hoyas, don't forget to leave a comment down below so then I can learn from each other. And if you have any specific questions with regard to how to rehab or how to acclimate these Hoyas, don't forget to check out my video showing you what to do when you're trying to root your Hoyas. If you like this video and you would like me to continuously buying Hoyas to show you unboxing videos, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you don't want to miss out similar content in the future, not just with Hoyas, but sometime maybe I'll have philodendron or any other houseplant that I have that I can share with you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, I wish everyone is having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!